Okay, this is a trig equation that makes you use all sorts of trig identities and some arithmetic and algebra and all that kind of stuff. So let's just give it a try. Um, they've got the cos of x minus 30 and plus 2 sine x. This is actually, we're going to graph these two equations later on. We're looking at them when they equal each other. What we're going to figure out right now is, well, we're going to show that the equation that all of this could be written as tan x equals this number minus root 3 over 5. Now, we know if we got it to this thing and we were asked to figure out, hey, what values make it this, we'd go shift tan of this number and we'd get one of the angles. But that's how trig equations work. But let's try and do this thing. Well, what's the trig identity with the cos of two angles subtracted from each other? Well, there it is, the cos of alpha minus beta. It's cos alpha cos beta plus sine alpha sine beta. Well, that's all we do. Go cos x cos 30 plus sine x sine 30 plus 2 sine x. Now, what's the cos of 30? Oh, yeah, that's root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2. What's the sine of 30? That's 1 over 2. Well, hey, we're getting closer to something here. How could we turn this into tan? Well, there's a special trick. Do you know if we divide by cos theta, a lot of things will turn into tan. This will turn into a number, which is great because we want it to equal a number, and these two things will turn into tan. So divide everything by cos theta. Cos theta divided by cos theta is 1, so you just have root 3 over 2. This becomes sine over cos theta, and hey, that's tangent theta. And this becomes sine over cos, that's tangent theta. So what we've got is 1/2 tangent, not theta, it's x there. 1/2 tangent x plus 2 tangent x. Well, what's a half plus 2? That's 5/2 tangent x equals minus root 3 over 2. Hey, that's starting to look minus root 3. All we have to do is multiply both sides by 2 and divide by 5, and we've just shown that the equation can be written as tan x equals minus root 3 over 5. Now, it was a little bit tricky, but the first part, there's nothing else I can do but use the identity that fits with this one, and you just write it down. Then you're working it out. You work out sine 30 and cos 30. Now there's a special trick. You got to know the only way we're going to get to tan is divide by cos, and that's what I did. Then I put it together, the two tangent parts, got 5/2, and 2 plus a half is 5 over 2. 2.5, yeah, 5 over 2. And then we just multiplied by 2, divided by 5, and I got tan x. And there you go.